This video serves as a quick overview of the on-screen display for the Path 4K and View 4K cameras. The on-screen display, or OSD, is accessible when using the camera via HDMI mode. This is done by connecting the camera to a monitor or TV via the HDMI port on the camera. You'll also need a mouse plugged into the top USB 2.0 port in order to control the OSD. Starting on the left, we have the camera control panel. From here, we can capture an image using the snap button, or start or stop the recording of video via the record button. The camera control panel can be pinned on screen using the pin icon in the top left corner. Continuing down, we have our exposure and gain controls, as well as our auto exposure selection. Beneath that, we have white balance. Our general recommendation for white balance is to move to a blank area of the slide, switch to ROI mode to set our white balance, and then change back to manual to hold that white balance value. Beneath the white balance options are other camera settings. These generally don't need to be changed, but can be to make the image fit your liking or match that with what you see in the eyepieces. Moving to the top of the screen, we have our measurement controls. Just like our camera controls, this can be pinned on screen using the pin icon. Moving to the right, we have our unit selection and our magnification selection. Calibration needs to be done first at each objective or zoom point in order for these options to appear. This is covered in a previous video, which will be linked in the description. Moving to the right, we have our various measurement options, such as lines, rectangles, circles, and various other options. We then have our annotation options, such as text boxes, scale bars, arrows. And finally, we have things such as our calibration menu, exporting the measurement values, and other settings. Now moving down to our final panel on the bottom. If the top panel has been pinned, you will not be able to access the bottom panel, so we need to unpin the top panel first, and then we can access the bottom panel. In this panel, we have various options for altering the live image, such as zooming in or out, flipping horizontally or vertically, going from color to grayscale. We can freeze our image, add grids based on the grid settings you choose. We can display an overlay, which can be uploaded to the camera in the form of a DXF file, view previously captured images, and then we have our settings. Now just take a quick moment to look at our settings menu. There's two settings I want to point out. We have our image format, of which we can select between JPEG and TIFF, and we have our option for how we want our measurements to be stored. We have layered mode, where they're saved in a different layer and a target file, or burned in mode, where it'll actually burn and merge the measurements into the image. This is generally how most people want to do it if they want to save their measurements. Then finally, going down to files, here we can select how we want the file to be named. If it's set to auto, it'll choose a prefix and then save iteratively, so such as image 001, image 002. If set to manual, you'll be able to manually name the image each time an image is captured. That covers the basics for the on-screen display. We'll have other useful videos linked in the video description, and even more videos can be found on our Microscope Central YouTube channel.